Hey guys, we're back, and this week we're going to be working with polynomials. So today we're going to do add and subtract polynomials. Tomorrow you guys are going to do multiply and factor, and then on Thursday you guys are going to just do a review worksheet of what we've learned in these two videos coming. Okay, so let's get started with adding and subtracting polynomials. So what is a polynomial? It's one or the sum or difference of two or more terms. Okay, the degree of a polynomial, okay, is the same as the degree of the term with the highest degree. And I'm going to explain what that is right here. So, we're given a bunch of examples. We're given 4 examples of polynomials. So 7x plus 4. The x has a degree of 1. So if we named it using the degree, we'd say this is a linear polynomial. Okay, there's 2 terms, so we would call it a binomial. Okay, so there's 2, so binomial, talking about numbers and terms, okay? So 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. The highest degree is 2, so we would call it a quadratic. The number of terms, there's 1, 2, 3, separated by the plus signs, okay? So this is a trinomial. And then we have 4x cubed. The cubed is the highest degree, so it's 3. We'd call it a cubic, okay? The number of terms we have in this one is 1. It can be more, but when it's just one term, we call it a monomial. So we have the next one, we have 5. There's 0 degrees, okay? There's no x value, so there's 0. So this is just a constant when there's no x, okay, involved. There's one term, 5 is a term, and it's a monomial as well. Okay, the next thing we need to talk about is standard form. So if you see these, like this one, x squared is the highest, and then it goes x and then none. So you're going to write it from highest degree to none. Okay, so terms decrease from left to right, and no terms have the same degree. So if we had another one that was plus x, we would have to combine like terms. Okay, so standard form is it's simplified in decreasing order of the degrees. Okay, so let's do this first one together. We have 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 3. So we're just going to line these up together. So we have 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 plus, and then we have 3x squared plus 2x minus 3, okay? So we're just going to be working at it in columns like this. Okay, so 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared, okay? Then we have negative 3x plus a positive 2x. So you owe me $3 and you have to pay me back 2. So we add another 2 you paid. So this is just be minus x, okay, negative 1. And then 4 plus a negative 3. You type that in the calculator, or you do it in your head, mental math. 4 minus 3 is 1, positive 1. So our answer is 5x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, let's do the rest of these. Okay, so we have 5x squared plus 4x minus 7. So we're, again, just line them up. 4x minus 7. Okay, x squared goes under x squared, so we have negative 4x squared plus 8x. So the x's under each other, and then the numbers by themselves under each other. Okay, we're adding these. So we have 5x squared plus the negative 4x. So it's essentially 5x squared minus 4x squared, so we just get 1x squared. Okay, 4 plus 8 is 12, so plus 12x. Negative 7 plus a negative 1 gives us a negative 8. Okay, so that is our answer. Okay, the next thing we need to do, let me zoom in for you guys. Okay, we're doing this one, so we have 3x cubed. This time we have a 3x cubed. This one has an x cubed, so we're plussing, and then we have x cubed here. So then we have plus 2x, so we're missing an x squared, so we're going to put this 2x over here, save a little room, minus 1. And then over here we have x cubed plus 2x squared. Okay, we don't have an x value 1, so we just put minus 2. And again, we're dividing it according to columns. 3x cubed plus x cubed is 4x cubed. 0 plus a 2x squared, right? You could put the 0 in there if you want. So we have plus 2x squared plus 2x. Negative 1 plus a negative 2 is a negative 3. Then I have x cubed, x squared, x, and then nothing. So this is in its standard form. Okay. Now we're going to be dealing with subtraction. Okay, so same idea, now we're just subtracting them. So we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 1 minus x squared minus x minus 2. So 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. 4x minus a minus x, which would be positive. So 4x minus x turns into 4 plus x. 4x plus x is 5x. Okay, so this is 5x. Okay, and then a negative 1 subtracting a negative 2 turns into 1 plus negative 1 plus 2. Negative 1 plus 2 is just 1. So plus 1. Okay, so this is our answer here. Okay, the next one I have negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 2, subtracting 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, and again, like terms get added together or subtracted. Okay, so negative 2x squared minus 3x squared. So that turns into negative 5x squared. 3x minus 2x is just 1x, or just x. Negative 2 minus 1 turns into negative 3. So we have negative 5x squared plus x minus 3 when we combine them. Okay, last but not least, we have our 7x cubed minusing, right? So we're missing the x squared again, so we're going to leave some space, minus 3x plus 1. Then we have minus x cubed plus 4x squared, so that's there. We're missing the x over here, so we're just going to minus 2. Draw the line. Now we separate the columns. Okay, so 7x cubed minus, oops, now you guys could see it. So what I did was I have 7x, I'm writing it, but I'm missing these. This one's missing an x, this one's missing an x squared, so I leave them blank. Now I'm drawing it in. Okay, so I separated by column. 7x cubed minus x cubed is 6x cubed. 0 minus 4x is negative 4x squared. Okay, and then negative 3x minus 0 essentially is negative 3x. And then 1 minus negative 2, okay. 1 minus the negative 2 is 1 plus 2, so that's a positive 3. So we have 6x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 3. Okay, just like that.